Okay, I'm in Disneyland. We're in the country, the frontier going toward New Orleans Square. This is the perfect time of day to be here because, as you can tell, the crowd is light. In about 3 hours, this place will be completely packed. And I wish I had done this when I first got here. You'd think you were in a ghost town when you're walking these streets, but this is the perfect time to come to Disneyland. I have kids. There's already been on like 8 rides since they've been here. We've only been here since 9 because the crowds are light. This is the time of day you want to come. And then usually after 8, 9 o'clock, the park closes at midnight tonight. Late night, again, 5-10 minute wait is all you have. So I'm going toward Pirates. You don't even see a line by Pirates even as we speak right now. And then there's a haunted mansion over there, Tom Sawyer's Island. At least that's what it used to be called, Tom Sawyer's Island. So see the lines. This is the time of day you like to be here. It's not crowded, it's not really hot. It's supposed to be up in the 70s is all today, which isn't really bad. It's great. So this is a happening place at a low-key time of the day. I would suggest that you always get up and be here when it opens. See right here, no one's here. Pirates, no one's here at all. You just almost like walk right in. I'll show you where we've been. Not all the restaurants are open yet, but it's still early to eat lunch, but a lot of people like to come here and grab some breakfast, which in my opinion is overpriced. I don't mind eating lunch here. I mean, it may be a lot of money for lunch, but they give you a lot of food for what you pay for, so it's not like you'll starve an hour later like some fancy restaurants you'll go to. Plenty of places we just bought stuff where we sit here and just chill. So this is the end of this short little vlog. I hope you can make it to Disneyland one of these days.